Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Shekhar. I'm the recruitment specialist, more than 10 years of experience in the US staffing and the recruitment. So I'm just starting this channel and I will share the practical knowledge about the US staffing, recruitment process, sourcing strategies, vendor management, and how to build a successful career in this industry. So if you are interested to starting a career in a US staffing or growing your recruitment business, this channel will help you step by step, right? So let's start. First, let's just think about what is this US staffing. So basically, in a US staffing that we hire employees for US companies by the recruiters, which is we are the recruiters. We can be anything, like we can be the manager, vendor management, account manager. So sir, recruiter, there's lots of we can the designation in this industry. So it's very broad, we can say the industry. Okay, so I'll explain you each and everything, so just be with me and then we can to figure out what exactly it is. So let me just explain what exactly the US staffing. So there's a few like you can say the thing you have to just know about that. So first, there's now hiring employees, the involvement of the recruiters, staffing firm roles, and the US market focus, because we are just going for the US staffing, right? So let me just tell you an example. Suppose a company called XYZ need any of the candidate like Java, .NET developer. So what they give us a job description. So we have to just pull out the candidate on that market on the US only, and we have to submit the resumes to the customer, and they interviewed and they feel if it's a good fit for the role, they hired that candidate, and the staffing company earns and the recruiters earn and the candidate also earns. So let me just tell you each and everything step by step, so you will clear your all the queries, right? So first, the process of the US staffing, the client shares the requirements, right? Specific job they share, like they need a Java developer in San Jose, California, right? Some skill set, what kind of the cloud they are looking for, what kind of the skill set. They give each and everything. They give us the rate, everything. So what we have to do, we have to just search a candidate on our portals. There's no specific portals for the US, like LinkedIn we have for all over world, but we have to search for the specific market in the US. So Dice, Monster, Career Builder, some basic major, we can say, the portals for the US market, right? So once we will find a candidate on these portals, we will just screen the candidate. We will ask the candidate about the skill set. Do you have these skills? And how much have you skilled this, right? So these kind of questions we will ask. So if you feel that candidate is good to go, then we will submit his resume to the customer, right? So customer go for the interview after reviewing his resume, and if he feels he's a good fit for the role, he can go with the roles and responsibilities. He will select that candidate, he will onboard that candidate, and the payment after that, we will get the payment, right? uh, so each of the things have a different we can say the path, so I will let you know each and everything. So who can start this career in a US staffing? That if you are a fresher, you can go. If you are already recruiter, you can go with the we can say the you can extend your what we say, you as a go for the account manager, team lead. There's lots of things, right? If you have a graduation, you didn't have any skill, but your English is good. So because we are just facing to the US candidate, so you have to your English should be good, right? And this essential skills for the success, like this is some basic skills like communication. I speak to you, the English should be good, their computer knowledge should be there, network connections, right? And willing to learn. This is the most important part, willing to learn, right? If you want to learn anything, so you can do.